Hello friends, I am Anurag Mishra. Through this video, I want to explain something to the people of Bihar and also make a request in this video. I want to say that the education system in Bihar is not the same everywhere. There is definitely a difference because in Bihar there are private schools, government schools, Hindi medium schools, and English medium schools. Colleges are also similar. So, the level of education is not equal. But if we want to solve this problem, what should we do? Students who study in Bihar often do not get proper value for the degrees in other developed states like Tamil Nadu, like Maharashtra, like Delhi, Punjab, or anywhere. Why does this happen? This may not be officially proven by data, but practically it happens. Even in someone gets admission in other state like me, they have to face taunts like there is cheating there. Students from Bihar don't know much. They are only good in maths. So I want to explain why students from other states or countries think they are ahead of Bihar students. According to my understanding, the biggest problem is accent and English. Yes, it is true. Students here are not very strong in English. They cannot write properly. They cannot speak fluently and they cannot understand lectures well in English. And because of this, they fall behind others. So, how can we normalize this? How? If the if the people in every village of Bihar start speaking English in markets, on roads, in restaurants, hotels, in offices, in schools, and in colleges, just like they speak Hindi, then the whole environment will change. Also, English medium schools charge high fees and create fear around English. If we want to remove this fear, all children in Bihar must learn English. That is why I make videos in English on social media so that people around me, especially youth, get inspired and try to learn it. Social media is not just for entertainment, it can also be a tool for a movement. We should create an environment where people feel curious to learn. When people start enjoying English, it will become easy and common. Then it will not matter whether someone is from Hindi medium or English medium. Students from Bihar will be able to go anywhere in the world, study confidently, and grow without any hesitation. No one will look down on them. Actually, Bihar students are very talented, but because of this one weakness, the linguistic weakness, they fall behind. Even in UPSC, the number of students from Bihar is decreasing every year. Earlier, many Hindi medium students used to succeed, but now more English medium students are clearing it, and it is the fact. Overall, the number of successful candidates from Bihar is going down, mainly because of English. So we need to start playing with English, playing with English, and become comfortable with it. So I request all people of Bihar to do this. And I am also making a small effort by creating videos on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram on social issues, news, entertainment, and motivation about English. Then please follow and share and support me. Your small support can make this movement bigger and spread across Bihar. In 1 to 2 years, this change is possible, I think. And the situation can completely transform because of your ability. Thank you so much. Please share this video. Thank you.